Good day, everyone. I am Cherry Davis and I am reporting about refractometry. Refractometry is a quantitative, non-destructive measuring technique based on optical principles that are evident in nature. For example, when light passes through water, the light beam is reflected, and objects underwater appear to have different proportions than those observed above water. This phenomenon is called refraction and refraction. Refractometry is a technique that measures how light is refracted when it passes through a given substance, in this case, an unknown compound. The amount by which the light is refracted determines the refractive index. Refractometry is the method of measuring substance. Refractive index and assess their composition or purity. Refractometry is a technique that measures how light is refracted when it passes through a given substance. And by that, they use the Snell's law, which is also known as the law of refraction, describes the formula behind the refraction. The Snell's law. The formula of Snell's law, as you can see, that was the formula of the Snell's law, and it is often used in refractometry to describe the relationship angles. So, the fundamental use of refractometry brings several benefits. As an analytical modality, instruments are simple and relatively inexpensive. Measurement is rapid, and quantitation is highly accurate. On the negative side, refractometry brings value only when the constituents of a solution are vulnerable. The laboratory involved instrumentation for refractometry. A refractometer is the instrument used to measure refractive index. A refractometer measures the extent to which light is bent when it moves from air into a sample and is typically used to determine the refractive of liquid sample. The four main types of refractometers. First, the traditional handheld refractometers. Second, digital handheld refractometers. Third, laboratory or ABRI refractometer. Fourth, inclined process refractometers. So, as you can see in the picture, laboratory apparatus involved, which is the traditional handheld refractometers, and laboratory or ABRI refractometer, digital handheld refractometers, inclined process refractometers. So that are the four main types of refractometers. In the process of analysis, refractometer for food and beverage labs selecting refractometers for the food and beverage industries. Refractometers for food quality control. Measurement of bricks in a central to food manufacturing. Consistent bricks measure is the key to product consistency. Food product profit margins are tight, so careful monitoring for the quality of incoming raw material and also strict monitoring of how much of that raw material is used in the process are the main drivers of factory profit. Food and beverage refractometry users require an instrument with an AC to clean sample well, reliable temperature control, and rouge construction. So this example of is the example of the food and beverage are the seed oils, soybeans, candy, syrups, dairy products, edible oils, and many more. So the reason to choose Rudolph. Accuracy in the second decimal place in bricks means the ability to stay closer to a specification. Temperature control allows the instrument to be calibrated with traceable reference to meet ISO and similar standards. Flat, easy, clean prism means better results, even when used by non-laboratory trained operators. Typical Rudolph refractometers for food users. Cardinal uses Rudolph refractometers in ingredient manufacturing plants globally. Mars Worsley uses Rudolph instrument to check the quality of tomato products for preferred meals. Nestle uses Rudolph to check the quality of tomato products or prepared meals. Refractometers for food future highlight. Refractometer for food. Rudolph's flat prism flat, easy to clean prism. No matter how good the refractometer for food is, the result will only be right if the instrument is clean. Rudolph flat prism design make cleaning easy even with sticky surface. The flat, low-profile sample will with a sample volume of less than 1 ml is easily cleaned by wiping with a common paper towel. The G55 single cleaning surface with scratch-proof sapphire prism makes this popular choice for high throughput food laboratories.